This video will cover a new network installation of Sage BusinessWorks. We're going to begin with a demonstration of how to install Sage BusinessWorks on the server. When performing a new server installation of Sage BusinessWorks, the first step is to create and share a folder named Sage with full control rights for all Sage BusinessWorks users. To create this folder, using File Explorer, right-click in the open area and select New, then select Folder. We recommend calling this folder Sage. Once that folder is created, right-click on the folder, select Properties, go into the Sharing tab, select Advanced Sharing, click Share this folder, and under Permissions, we recommend using full control. We're going to apply that and click OK again. Then we're going to go under the Security tab. On this tab, we recommend adding the individual users that will be using Sage BusinessWorks. You can add them as a group, or you can add them as individual users. We're going to add full control to the authenticated users group by clicking Edit and then Allow for full control. We're going to apply that and then hit OK and then close out. Once this is complete, you're going to go to your Sage BusinessWorks 2025 install files folder. You're going to select Auto Run. You're going to select Install Sage BusinessWorks 2025. If you get the user account control message, go ahead and click Yes to continue. And you're going to click Install to install the required Microsoft files. During this part of the install, you may get prompted for a reboot, so that's why it's important to be sure that you have all your programs closed before beginning the install. You're going to click Next to continue with the Sage BusinessWorks setup. You're going to click OK to the message that the setup has detected that there's no PDF. You're going to accept the terms of the license agreement and click Next. In this case, we're going to choose Network Installation, and then you'll enter your product code that you received from your account manager. You're going to ensure that your program files and data files are going into the Sage folder that you created earlier, and go ahead and click Next to continue. You're going to accept the location of the Actian Zen files and click Next to continue. If there's more than one location, you will want to be sure to choose the most direct client data path. In this instance, we're going to choose the one highlighted and click Next. We're going to accept the default program folder location and click Next. On this screen, you're going to confirm the installation location and the files, and we're going to go ahead and click Next to continue. And then first we will install the Actian Zen, which is our database engine. Now it's going to begin the Sage BusinessWorks installation. And we're going to go ahead and click Finish to confirm the installation is complete. We're going to exit out of the installation screens. We're going to double click on Sage BusinessWorks, and the default login is Manager and no password on a new install. Then we are then going to go under Utilities and Registration Information, and you will enter the product registration received from your account manager. If this is a move to a new computer, you would go into File, and then you would go to Restore, and you would restore your system and then company backups. Once that's complete, we recommend coming under Help and then going to Download Updates to make sure that you have the most current service pack for your version installed. Now that the server installation is complete, we will show you how to install on a new client workstation. To install the Sage BusinessWorks client, right-click on the Windows Start button, choose File Explorer, type in // and then the name of your server, and hit Enter. Once there, choose the Sage folder, the BWProg folder, the Client Setup folder, and then choose Auto Run. Click Install Sage BusinessWorks Client. If you're prompted for user account control, go ahead and say yes. Click Next. Click OK to the PDF message. Click OK to the message that it's already detected Actian. Go ahead and confirm the program folder and click Next. And then verify the installation settings and hit Next. Once complete, click Finish. Exit out of the install screens. Go ahead and double click on Sage BusinessWorks icon. Log in. You want to make sure that you have the most recent service pack installed by going to Help, Download Updates, And then visit the Sage BusinessWorks download portal to ensure that you have any updates that are available installed. Those updates should be installed on the server and all workstations. Thank you for viewing our tutorial today on how to perform a new network installation of Sage BusinessWorks.